Good morning, students. Continuation of the chapter Recurring Deposit. Recurring Deposit. Write one question or first you write the formula. Maturity value is equal to NP plus N into N plus 1 by 2 into P into R by 12 into 100. NP plus N into N plus 1 by 2 into P into R by 12 into 100. Right. Question number 1. Right. Mr. Satish deposited rupees 300 for 4 years at 8%. 4 years at 8%. Find his maturity amount. That means after 4 years, what is his maturity amount? Okay, first you copy the formula. Then here the sentence given, P is 300. N is 4 years means 12 fours are 48. Very good. And rate is equal to 8%. Now, substituting in the formula, MV is equal to NP, 48 into 300 plus N into N plus 1. That is 48 is N. N plus 1 is therefore 48 into 49 by 2 into P. 300 into rate, 8 by 12 into 100. Write the answer. What is 48 into 300? 48 into 3? 144,000. Plus, after this calculation, 100 cancel. Okay, 12 fours are 48. 2 fours 2. Now the denominator, all the terms cancel. Then multiplication, you will get 2352. 2352. Right. Therefore, the final answer is 16752. 16752. Write the answer. 16752. Write the next question. Manu deposited rupees 400 for 3 years. At the end of the third year, next sentence, at the end of the third year, he received 16,388. At the end of third year, he received 16,398. Find the rate. What is P? Copy. P is equal to 400 for 3 years means N is equal to 12 into 3. That is 36. Here also copy the formula. Maturity value is equal to NP plus N into N plus 1 by 2 into P into R by 12 into 100. Okay. Now in the place of maturity value, write 16,398 equal to NP. What is your N? 36 into 400. Plus, leave some space there. Plus N means 36 into 37 by 2 into P is 400 into R is not given. R by 12 into 100. Okay. Now, when you multiply 36 into 400, what is the answer? 14400 plus. After this calculation, 0 cancel. 12 3s are 36. 2 and this 4, 2. You will get 222R. Do the calculation. 222R. The next step is 16,398 minus 14,400. 16,398 minus 14,400 equal to 222R. Therefore, after subtraction, you will get here 1998 equal to 222R. Is it clear? Therefore, R is equal to 1998 divided by 222 is 9%. What's the rate? 9%. Copy that. Write down the next question. The maturity value of a recurring deposit is 11,364 in 4 years. They deposit rupees 200. They deposit rupees 200. Find the rate of interest. Same type question. Find the rate of interest. Okay, copy the formula. Maturity value equal to NP plus N into N plus 1 by 2 into P into R by 12 into 100. By heart this formula. Maturity value, in the place of maturity value 11,364 equal to NP. What is NP? N is 4 years means 48 into 200 plus 48 into 49 by 2 into P means 200 into R by 12 into 100. Okay. What is 48 into 200? 9,600. And after calculation of this side, you will get 196R. Do the calculation. 196R. After subtraction, 11,364 minus 9,600 is 1764 equal to 198R. Right? Therefore, R is equal to, here also that is 9%. R is equal to 9%. Write the next question. Right. Mr. R.K. Nair gets rupees 6,455 at the end of 1 year. At the rate of 14%. Mr. R.K. Nair gets rupees 6,455 at the end of 1 year means n equal to 1 year at the rate of 14%. Find the monthly installment. P. Find P is the monthly installment. Copy the formula. MV is equal to NP plus N into N plus 1 by 2 into P into R by 12 into 100. In all the cases, you copy the same formula. What is the maturity value? 6,455 equal to N. Is it N given? Look at the board. N equal to 1 year means how many months? Yes, 12 months. 12 into P is not given, therefore 12P plus 12 into 13. 12 into 13 by 2 into P is not given. R is 14 by 12 into 100. All the problems are the same type. 4 types problems are there. Study that 4 type problems to find the maturity value, find the rate, find the P, then find the number of years. Then next, the last one is if the interest is given, how can you find? That means only 5 types problems in this chapter. Study that type. Here 12P is separate, 12P there. Then look here, 12, 12 cancel, agree. 2, 14 cancel 7. What is 13 into 7? 7 3s are 21, 91 P by 100. Okay? And not write the decimal form, 91 by 100. Now take the LCM here. How can you take the LCM? Just cross multiply. 1200 P plus 91 P the whole by 100. Okay? That is equal to 6,455. Now when you cross multiply, 6,455 00 equal to 1291P. 1291P. Okay. Then 6,455 00 by 1291 equal to P. Then all of you look here how to calculate this. 1 and here the first place is 1 and here the first one, not first place means the first digit 6. 1 into which number gives 6? 6. Therefore, the highest number we can multiply is 6. But here, 5 is here, isn't it? Or when you take this 12 and 64, 12 and 64, 12 5s are 60. That is the maximum. Therefore, try 1291 into 5. Understand? Or direct division. 1 5s are 5, 9 5s are 45. Or, is it? Yes, 5 times. Then 2 more zeros. Therefore, P is equal to 500. P is equal to 500. Right? Write down the next question. Ashima deposited a certain amount. Ashima deposited a certain amount in a bank for 5 years. Bank for 5 years at 9%. At 9%. At the end of maturity, she gets 51607.50. 51607.50. Find the monthly installment. Monthly installment means P. 51607.50 equal to 5 years means 12 5s are 60P plus 60 into 61 by 2 into P into rate is 9 by 12 into 100. Okay, calculate. 12 5s are 60. Isn't it? Now, 60P plus 61 into 5 into 9. Do that calculation. 61 into 45. 2745. Check that answer. Just I will explain. Check that. 2745p by 200 is there, isn't it? Now taking the LCM here, 60 into 200 is 6 2s are 12, 30. P plus 2745p the whole by 200. Okay. Now cross multiplying this 200, 51,607.50 into 200 equal to 54741 P. Then this point and this 100 cancel, then I only multiply by 2. After finding this, you will get P is equal to 700. Understand? Here 200 contains 2 zeros, that 2 0 and this 0.50 cancel. Then multiply this whole number into 2, then divided by 14745, you will get rupees 700. Do that question. Okay. Write down the next type. Mohan has a recurring deposit account. Mohan has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years. In a bank for 2 years. In a bank for 2 years at 6%. At 6%. If he gets rupees 1,200 as interest. Underline that word. 1,200 as interest. Find the monthly installment and maturity amount. Find the monthly installment and maturity amount. Okay. Here we know that maturity value means amount deposited plus interest. Agree, students? Amount deposited plus interest. But here 1,200 as interest means only the second part is given. Not this amount given, only the second part. What's the formula? Interest. Say the answer. Interest. N into N plus 1 by 2 into P into R by 12 into 100 equal to 1,200. That is given in this question. In the previous question, the maturity value is given, but here only the interest part is given. Therefore, you take that interest only. Then substitute N equal to 2 years means 24 into 25 by 2 into P. This is not given. Rate is 6 by 12 into 100 equal to 1,200. Okay. 12 into 2 is 24. 2 and 2 cancel. 25 into 4 is 100. Then next is 4, 2, here 3. Okay. 3P equal to 1,200 into 2. Therefore, P is equal to 1,200 into 2 by 3. 3 fours, isn't it? 400. 400 into 2 is 800. Okay. What is the principal? Principal is equal to 800. Here, now to check the calculation. Understand? If there is any calculation mistake, correct that. Here, 12, 24, 2, 2, 2 cancel, 25, 100, 4, then 4 and 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now cross multiplication. Then 3, 400, 800. Check that answer. Otherwise, write the correct answer if it is 800 here. Okay. Now, what is the next part? Monthly installment. Sorry, maturity value. What is maturity value? Amount plus. What is the amount? He deposited for 2 years. P is 800. Therefore, 800 into 24 plus interest is directly given 1200. What is 24 into 8? Check that answer. 19200 plus 1200. 004 20400. Check the answer. 20400. Then the last type. Here as interest. Next last type. Write one question. Priyanka deposit. Right. Priyanka deposit rupees 1000 per month. Rupees 1000 per month. At 10%. At 10%. If she gets rupees 5,550, if she gets 5,550 as interest, here also the interest is part, that part is given. Find the time n. Find the time. Here also copy that I is equal to 5,550. The formula to find I is n into n plus 1 into p into r by 2 into 12 into 100. That is equal to 5550. Write that. N means not given. N plus 1 is also not given. P means 1000. Rate means 10 by 2 into 12 into 100 equal to 5550. Do this calculation very carefully. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Then 00, 100 is here, 10, 10 cancel. Then you will get here n into n plus 1, right? N into n plus 1 into 10 equal to 555 into 2 into 12. Right? That is n into n plus 1 equal to 555 into 2 into 12 by 10. 2, 10 cancel 5. Agree? 5 and 1, 555, 1, 1, 1. That is n into n plus 1 is equal to 1332. Right. N into n plus 1 equal to 1332. That is n square plus n into n plus n minus 1332 equal to 0. Look here. Here this is a quadratic. Quadratic equation means that is a second degree equation. We can factorize by prime factorization method or by using the formula. Dear students, here the next chapter is quadratic equation. Then you will understand how to solve this part. Okay, here I am going to write the answer by splitting the middle term. Product minus 1332 and the sum is n. Here the answer is n plus 37 into n minus 36 equal to 0. Now just copy this answer. I will explain that part in the next chapter. Then only you can understand this. Therefore, n plus 37 equal to 0 means n equal to minus 37. That is not possible. Number of months not minus. Therefore, n minus 36 equal to 0 means n equal to 36 months or 3 years. Right. This part I will clear in the after next chapter. Okay. These are the main type questions. Take your textbook and do the questions from the exercise. Okay. God bless you.